Getting around in Smartsheet via the mobile app is a snap, and I've made it even easier by placing everything you need access to in your dashboard. But there may be times when you may end up outside of your dashboard, so I just wanted to cover that real quick. First, if you find yourself here on the Home tab, which you see at the bottom, all you need to do is tap on My Prep Dashboard. If you find yourself anywhere else, all you do is tap on the Home tab and then tap on My Prep Dashboard. Remember, the dashboard is the hub of your system, so while you could go digging around in your workspace, it's far easier to simply use the navigation in your dashboard. For a comprehensive walkthrough of the navigational links on the dashboard, I strongly recommend you watch the other video on this page if you haven't already, which provides an overview of navigating your Ultimate Prep system on a web browser or tablet, which also applies to the mobile app. It's just that these navigational elements are toward the bottom of the screen, so you just have to scroll down to see them.